We're ready for a dance again today. It's rocking out. Okay, go, dance. Beautiful girl, you're hopping. Hello. Where's Adventures? Can you take me there?
No.
No? Do it again. Very good. You're such a peanut. My little half pint. That's right. Whoa. Yes, my love.
I'm just wanting to play a story.
You're going to read a story. There's no books here.
Read a story and the mouth.
I say we go to your classroom so I can go to work. Whatever. Come on, Pumpkin, let's roll.
I see something. Mommy, look, it's all in the color.
Did you make that?
No, Dad made that.
Oh,
Mommy.
not you. You used to tell me that you made it.
Me, Alexander, I order like a baby, and me like a baby, and the little kids like my baby.
Yeah, the kids like the babies. All right, baby, let's go.
It's like this feet.
Yeah.
You don't. But I don't need a header. Hi!
What were you telling me about Daddy? You said Daddy hold you like a baby last night and put you to sleep? Yeah. With the fireworks?
But that's not here. Or see how it works.
That's right, Daddy's at work.
What's the story?
Well, Miss Tabitha's reading a story. Should we go in your classroom and listen?
Oh, but I want to go to the story on the table.
I don't have any books on that table. It's empty.
Mommy, let's get books on my classroom.
Well, are you going to go to your classroom?
The baby's classroom. Look here. These are baby's
Those are baby's classrooms over there.
Oh, hey, baby, I want to be a baby.
You want to be a baby?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, you are my baby. Come on, Pumpkin. Let's go. So stubborn.